Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to go over how to export an MP3 in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name's Jack.F, I'm a freelance videographer, photographer and video editor. If you want to support the channel, go buy me a coffee, link in the description. So, how do I actually export an MP3 in Adobe Premiere Pro? It's pretty simple. So, let's go over to the computer and let's get started. So once we're in Adobe Premiere Pro and say you've done your edit and you're ready to export, this is my last video, go check it out there. Shameless plug. So when we do that, export it in and out points, check that video up there as well. What we're going to do here, all we want to do is change the format. Now the format is very key. You go down to the drop down menu, it's going to be H.264, check out the video up there, show you how to export it. And then what we want to come down is to MP3 here, and then literally it's going to get rid of all the video tab, and then audio, I just leave it as it is. I name it, and then export, and that's a quick, simple way to export an MP3 in Adobe Premiere Pro. You know guys, if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel, check out some of my other videos, and if you want to support the channel, this is something I've done recently, go buy me coffee, link in the description. And if you want to request a video next week like this, go down to the comment section below or hit me up on Instagram, link in the description. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.